Look at that. I just went. That one. White and back. White back. White and back. White and back. White and back. That one. That one.
Do you want to draw it with a pencil or do you want to go ahead and paint?
I want a pencil. Here you go.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
I could definitely help you. So you want to do sort of a squared heart shape right here. That's the cab. And then we also have a long rectangle shape. And there is also another long rectangle shape. And this has a little lip on it. And we need to add our wheels. Does that look right?
Yeah. But don't work at the top, up, down.
Dump truck right here?
No, up, down.
You want letters coming down?
Oh, I raised it again.
Thank you. So dump truck right here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
Up, down.
Dump.
Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Dump truck. Does it look good?
I missed it.
All right. How are you going to paint it? Which color are you going to do first?
I want to go like this.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, I missed it. I'm gonna make a F player. I'm gonna make a F player.
First, let's paint our dump truck.
Why? Under yellow. A super I miss.
Get more yellow paint. I like your dump truck. This looks great.
Good night.
You can tip its bucket just like me.
Yeah.
Good job.
Wait, now I will make a player. A player, please.
Say, keep being creative.
Keep playing.
Keep being creative.
Keep playing.
Hi.
Hi.